Benjamin. Today we're going to watch a fun music video about the states of matter. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yes. Not really.
All right. What are some more solids? Can you think of any more?
Basket.
A basket. What else?
A whip.
A whip. What else?
A sword.
A sword.
A gun.
A gun. We don't talk about guns at school though, right?
Yeah, probably do. Your brain.
Your brain is a solid, yep.
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein is a solid.
Paper.
Yep. Can you think of any more liquids?
Prune juice.
Prune juice is a liquid. What else?
Ketchup a liquid?
Is ketchup a liquid?
Or is it solid and a liquid?
Does it take the shape of the container that it's in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, so it is a liquid. I thought it was a styrene.
Alright, let's keep going.
Rain.
Rain. Rain is a liquid, yep.
A cloud, maybe?
No. Alright, sit down.
Hi, I'm Manny.
Alright, let's finish.
Eggs.
Eggs are not a gas.
But they're only 3 states of matter in them.
Okay. So how many states of matter are there?
3.
Good job. What are they?
Gas.
Mm-hmm.
Liquid. Solid.
Right. Great job. So today we're going to learn a little bit more about the 3 states of matter. Okay? Are you ready? Thumbs up if you're ready. You're kind of ready? You're really ready? Okay, first we're going to look at a book together. Okay?
Where did the water go?
Let's read the title together.
Where did the water
Where
go?
Did the Water Go?
Library.
By Amy S. Hansen. Okay.
Right.
Now what is this?
Table of contents.
And what does it tell us?
What the chapters are?
What the chapters are? Mm-hmm. What the parts of the book are, right?
Yeah.
We have the parts of the book, and then what do we have in the back of the book?
The glossary and the index.
Right. Okay. 3 forms of water. Have you ever spilled ice and not cleaned it up right away? What happens to the ice?
It melted and it's now a liquid.
wondered why you have to keep adding water to a fish tank or a swimming pool? Where's the water going? The answer is it's in the air, and you're seeing evaporation at work. Does anybody need me to go back? Why does water change? Water changes its form when the temperature changes. When water is very cold, water is a solid. When it is warm, water is a liquid. When it's hot, water... Here. Okay. When water is warm, water is a liquid. When it's hot, water boils and part of it becomes a gas. This kind of water vapor is very hot. It spreads out quickly. Water can also become a gas when it isn't hot or boiling. If the air is dry, water will become a gas at lower temperatures. This is what happened to the water in your puddle. Clouds are another form of water vapor. They are not hot. So are clouds a gas, a solid, or a liquid?
A gas.
A gas.
Sorry.
How do water molecules change?
How do they change?
Water is made of tiny units called molecules. Molecules are so small you would need a super strong microscope to see them. The molecules are the same in each form of water, but they are arranged differently. Do you know why water is called H2O? Every water molecule is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. The abbreviation for this is H2O. Does anybody need me to stop?
Yeah. I'm still working on question 2.
Okay, let's go back.
And I'm working on the part called solid. Solid called what?
Well, let's go back. Let's look at your notes. What do you have? The 3 forms of water are...
Gas, liquid, solid.
Okay, you have them in the wrong order.
I got what?
You just have them in the wrong order, that's all. It's supposed to be solid, liquid, and then gas.
Solid.
And the gas is called what?
Water. Vapor!
Okay? You got it? Can I move forward now?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. When water is cold, it is a solid called ice. The water molecules line up. They are cold, so they hardly move. The solid holds its shape. These icicles will hold their shape until they melt.
Yep.
Everybody good to go? Give me thumbs up if you're good to go.
I still need to make some more notes on a little blank piece of paper.
Well, you can make notes on the back of your paper if you need to make notes. No, we're not doing that right now.
No.
If you need to make notes, you can make notes on the back of your paper. Okay, thumbs up if you're ready to go. Okay. When water is warm, it is a liquid. The water molecules do not line up. They have some energy from heat, so they can move around. A liquid cannot hold its shape. When water is a liquid, it needs a container to hold its shape.
I need to go back.
You need to go back, okay. Where do you need to go back to?
Keep going. Yeah, that page. Water molecules.
What number are you missing?
4. I'm working on the molecules. Molecules.
Okay. Molecules.
Okay. Keep going up.
Okay. When water is hot, it is a gas called water vapor. The molecules have a lot of energy from the heat. They zip around. The gas takes up all the space it can. Water also becomes a gas if the air is dry. This is why puddles dry out and why your towel will dry if you spread it out. When water is a gas, the molecules move farther apart. Gas expands to fill the space. What happens when the gas cools down? The molecules slow down. The gas condenses. That's going to be one of our vocabulary words, condenses. It becomes liquid water. What happens if we put liquid water in the freezer? The water becomes
A
cold.
solid.
It freezes. It turns into a solid. The molecules stop moving around. The liquid water becomes ice. Now you know where water goes. Can you think of something that melts other than ice?
If you had your towel and put water on it and kept it in a really hot place, like one of the like Mercury, it would be like heat down get heat down like the second you got there.
Okay. But can you think of something that melts other than ice?
No.
What would happen if you left a crayon in a hot car?
It would melt.
It would melt. What are crayons made out of?
Wax.
Wax. So wax.
Your wax.
So wax what? Whenever you heat wax up, what does it do?
Can I look at the glossary? It turned into a water vapor.
When wax melts,
It turns into a liquid.
it turns into a liquid. Where do the gas molecules get their energy to zip around?
From heat.
From heat. What makes the molecules slow down?
From, what is it called? By freezing.
Like whenever they cool down, right?
Then
Okay, so let's look at the glossary. Our words are condenses,
freezes.
which means when a gas changes to a liquid, usually through cooling. Freezes, when changes from a liquid into a solid. Gas, which is a substance that spreads out to fill the space around it and is often invisible.
Whoa.
Whoa. Liquid, a substance that pours easily. Melts means to change from a liquid to a solid. Molecules are two or more atoms chemically bonded together.
What are atoms?
Atoms are the building blocks of life. Atoms make up everything.
Like matter?
Atoms make up matter, yep.
Whoa.
Solid is an object that is firm, that is not a liquid or a gas.
Yeah. I
Temperature
know.
is the measurement of how hot or cold something is. It's usually measured with a
Thermometer.
thermometer. Water vapor is a gas formed as a liquid. Okay? Do you have any questions?
Yeah, what makes up atoms?
Atoms are made of atoms. They're the smallest unit in the universe. Okay.
Well, bye for now.
Now we're gonna listen to the book, and you can finish your notes if you need to finish taking notes. Okay? Okay.
Okay. Keep going.
Okay. So what are the three states of matter? Name one.
A liquid.
You can use your notes if you need to use your notes.
Yeah, I don't need to even say.
Okay. So which one did you say?
Liquid.
Liquid. Okay. I'm gonna write it up here. Liquid.
It looks like a. It looks more like a.
Okay.
Lamp. Lamp.
Liquid. Give me some examples of a liquid.
Water. My favorite drink.
Water. What else?
Coca-Cola.
Cola. What else?
Apple juice.
Juice. What else?
Beetlejuice.
What else is an example of a liquid?
Orange juice.
We already have juice.
Let's see.
What else?
Ice that turns into a liquid? No, that would be water.
When ice melts, yep, it turns back into water. What are some other liquids?
Prune juice.
We already said juice.
A tea.
Tea.
Coffee.
Tea, coffee. All right.
It looks like a little alien.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now, what's our next state of matter? Pick another state of matter.
solid.
Do you want solid or gas? Which one?
Gas.
You want to do gas?
Yeah.
All right.
What?
Gas. Look up here.
Gas. Gas.
Gas.
Wait, you mean
All right. Think of some examples of gases.
steam?
Steam is definitely a gas.
Air.
Air is a gas.
And that's it.
Nope. Let's think of some more. What did we learn in our book is a gas?
Cloud.
Clouds are a gas.
How about water vapor?
Water vapor, I think that's the same thing as steam.
Ew.
How about, I have a good one. How about when something stinks in your house and your mom or your dad sprays that stuff to make it smell good? What is that stuff called?
air freshener?
Air freshener is a gas. Did you know that?
No, I thought it was a liquid. Gas can like feel on liquids when they spray it on you.
Okay. So what's our last state of matter? What's our last state of matter?
Solid.
Solid.
And I fell out of my chair. Yeah, that's how I got down there. Actually,
All right. Our last one is a solid.
yeah. Ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba.
Solid.
The best thing in the world.
All right. Now this one's easy. Think of some examples of solids.
Toys?
Toys. What else?
Computers, phones.
Computers, phones.
Let's see. Paper.
What else?
Solid is a solid.
What else? What are some other solids? Toys, computers, phones.
Tables.
Tables are solids.
Jaguars.
Tables.
Jaguars.
Let's think of some other solids. What in front of you is a solid? Look in front of you and tell me what you see that's a solid.
A chair?
Hmm?
A chair? Well, that's behind me, so. Well, it's like right in front of I see myself!
What do you see on your desk or on your table that's a solid?
Pencil.
Pencil.
Marker. Tape.
Pencil. Marker. Tape.
Box.
Box. Yep. All right. Okay. How about water whenever it's a solid? What is it?
Ice.
Ice.
That's not meant to mess. What a ninja. Ice is gonna come. Wah!
Okay. Now we're going to create a flip book of gases and solids and liquids. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. Now that you've made your flip book, you're going to show me what you've made.
Okay. First,
Hold it up so we can all see it.
this is it. First comes a gas.
No. Start from the beginning.
First comes a gas.
And what gas did you choose?
Steam.
Okay, what comes next?
Liquid. A wave.
A wave is a liquid.
And last, a solid.
And what's your solid?
Beyblade. My favorite.
Your favorite what? What is it?
Beyblade.
What is it?
What's it go?
Okay, but what is it?
Solid.
What is a Beyblade?
Spinning
It's a-
tops that battle.
It's a toy, right?
Yeah, a toy.
Okay. Good job. Thank you.
I'm gonna go read the book.
For my assessment, what I would have them use is this graphic organizer on the states of matter. They would have to write the state of matter in each one. They would have to write the state of matter, draw a picture of it, and label what it is. And it would have to be the forms of water. So that would be their assessment.